Happy Feature Friday. This week we're going to be taking a look at Mr. Frank DeMayo, our Woodworking 1, 2, and 3 teacher. If learning a trade like woodworking sounds interesting to you, stay tuned and enjoy this video.
My name is Frank DeMayo, and I teach Woodworking 1, 2, and 3 right now. Well, Woodworking 1 is basically a prerequisite kind of course. Students learn how to use various hand tools, some portable power tools, blueprint reading, actually do a little design work themselves. Woodworking 2 is an advanced Woodworking 1, whereas I'll be able to, whatever they learned in 1, they can come in and they already know how to use most of the tools in here. So I can set them up with a project, and they can, usually in a group, and they will build it, such as chairs and stuff like that. 3 is basically going to be project. I haven't had a 3 class yet, but it's going to be a project that they pick, choose, and that will probably be their exam. They'll work on it for the whole semester, pretty much on their own, and that'll be an exam. This is the latest addition to the shop. This is a CNC machine, widely used in commercial shops. And what it does is you will write a program on the computer, and it will cut whatever you design on the computer. It will cut it for you. I have a little testing going on right now. We just use a little Sharpie pen, just in case, because this was the first morning that it actually ran. I just got it. And we just used a Sharpie to make it run, you know? And it worked pretty good. So these are like Hatteras. A lot of my students can come out of this program and go to Hatteras to work, and they always wanted CNC machine operators, so they can't really keep them. So that was the reason I got this, to introduce the kids to it. Even though it's a small unit, it works exactly the same as a big unit. You know, everything's the same. During the course of the program, in order for me to tell that the students actually, they know how to use the tools and stuff, we do these mini projects. These chairs, for instance, were built by 2 separate groups of students, and they get a set of plans, this particular one, because these were Woodworking 1 students. They really had no experience at all. So they would get a set of plans up this here and start building. I would guide them along the way, because they're not really used to all the real big machinery, you know, like the table saw and stuff. So I have to be right there with them when they're using things like that. But all the smaller tools, the routers, the drills, all of that, they just do on their own. And what we do is this is just one example. We sell them and put the money back in the program in order to buy, you know, whatever we need. So that's what we do. We sell them for $75. It's pretty much the cost of the material. Yeah, they're all pressure treated, all that stuff. Why do I do what I do? Well, a while back, before I was teaching, I had my own business, and I used to hire high school students. Now, I generally hired the students that were special ed classes, because I found that working with their hands is just the way to go. I mean, you can show them something, and they can just bang it out. So through the years, I did that, and then I had somewhat of an accident, a physical thing, and I couldn't really do my own business anymore because of the competition. And so I went into teaching, and I started teaching on a 5,000-acre ranch. I had students. We were in charge of all the carpentry on the ranch, and they were all students that couldn't handle high school or side. Right? So they would come to this ranch and they would work, and then they would do it all through the summer, and that's how it really started. I just enjoy teaching students that really want to learn a trade. It's a good trade.
Very good. Well, we appreciate everything you do for us.